Hello, we are now beginning Module 3. Module 3 is about multiplication of polynomial expressions. But before we can actually begin multiplying algebra polynomial expressions, we got to go back and review some concepts from arithmetic. The first thing we need to review is the job of an exponent. Okay, we've already talked briefly about an exponent. Another word for exponent is degree. Okay, if it's connected to a variable. But we also see when we have exponents connected to numbers. So we need to really understand what is the purpose of an exponent. First of all, if you look in your PowerPoint, you'll see the expression 2 cubed. Or I can read that as 2 raised to the third power. Power is another word for exponent. As we all know, that little superscript, the 3, is the exponent. The term it's connected to is called the base. So that's important. In order for me to even talk about an exponent, it needs to be connected to a base. And that base could be a number in arithmetic, or it could be a variable, like if when I write x squared, the base can be x in algebra. Now, what does it mean when I write the expression 2 cubed? What is the purpose of an exponent? Does 2 cubed mean 2 times 3? No, it does not. What the job of an exponent is, it is to do multiplication, but it's repeated multiplication. The job of an exponent is to tell you how many times you multiply the base to itself. So in the expression 2 cubed, again, guys, what is the base? It is 2. That exponent 3 means take that base 2 and multiply it to itself 3 times. So 2 cubed really means 2 times 2 times 2. And we should all know 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 would be 8. So does everybody understand 2 cubed does not make 6? It doesn't mean 2 times 3. You do not take the base and multiply it to the exponent. What you're doing is you're taking that base and writing it as many times as the exponent says. So 2 cubed means write the base 2 3 times and multiply together, and that's why we get a product of 8. This is going to be very important as we proceed. So in the next video, we'll actually work some arithmetic expressions with exponents. See you then.